You only get one shot at putting your house on the market. There's so many buyers in this market right now, and they're just scrolling and scrolling through all the houses that are hitting the market each week, every day. The thing is, they're looking for the newest and the best house that does hit the market, and that's why you only get one shot. They're only gonna scroll through you one time, and if they don't click on your house, guess what? Your house is gonna be forgotten. The longer your house sits on the market, the lower the price will go. And you don't wanna be like a house in your neighborhood that's just sitting on the market and you gotta do price reduction after price reduction. That's why we need to make your house look exactly the way we want and perfect. Like, we want this thing looking sharp. I'm talking about, we could do some staging, some painting. We want this house move-in ready. We don't wanna just sell it as is and take pictures with cell phones. That stuff is out the window. Buyers are looking for something that's move-in ready, that looks awesome, and we gotta price it correctly.